What is good, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. In the past, we've seen Jordan Brand look to its icon, Michael Jordan himself, in order to get inspiration for some of its most limited releases. But for the shoes I'm going to review in this video, Jordan Brand got its inspiration from somebody else. A key figure in Michael Jordan's life, none other than legendary coach Phil Jackson. I will be reviewing the Jordan 4 Zen Master. So what is up, guys, and shout out to all of my long-term viewers. And if you are new here, my name is Josh and I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. If that is something you are looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week, and while you're at it, if you're looking for even more content, make sure you check out my sneaker podcast, which is available on all podcasting platforms. The link is in the description. And finally, give me a follow on Instagram as well. That is the best place to connect with me. So let's get into it. The Jordan 4 Zen Master. These released in Europe on June the 10th, and unfortunately for all of you guys from North America, it seems like these shoes will not be releasing stateside. I don't know why they canceled the release, especially considering this is a Jordan 4. They're a lot more popular in the States than in Europe. So I don't know exactly why they canceled it. If they decide to change their mind, I will leave a pinned comment in this video with the new release date. But as of right now, it seems like these will not be releasing over there. And in Europe, these released under an entirely different name. They're called the Amethyst Wave here, which is one of the colors on the upper, and it released for a higher retail of 220 euros. Normally Jordan 4s go for about 190 or 200 over here. This time, however, maybe because of the different materials used on the shoe, it is releasing for a premium price. But now let's get into the shoes and why they're called the Zen Master specifically. So Zen Master was actually the nickname of Phil Jackson. And if you're unfamiliar with who that is, he is widely considered one of the greatest coaches in NBA history. He's literally got more rings than he has fingers. And he was called the Zen Master because of his rather unique approach to coaching. He brought a lot of Buddhist philosophies to his coaching style. And that Zen-like, Buddhist-like vibe is what this shoe is trying to give off. A very unique colorway on the upper. I can see hits of purple here, dark purple. We got some light pink in there as well, some white. A very tie-dye type of look on this shoe, almost giving off like a galaxy vibe. You could say this is tie-dye, but you could also say this is kind of like washed denim. One of those colorways that I think you really got to see in hand to appreciate. And contrasting this very colorful upper, you got these hits of black all over the shoe that tone it down quite a bit. The cages of the shoe are done in black. Also, it is painted along the midsole, and you also have some more black along the ankle collar. Additionally, this time the Jordan 4 has translucent wings, and the heel tab as well is translucent, and this time it does have the Jumpman logo, no Nike Air. It comes with black laces, which I think is a very good look on the shoe, but if you don't want that, you could also throw on these purple laces right here if you want to really match that upper. I gotta say that I know the shoe is supposed to be inspired by Phil Jackson, but to me it seems very loosely inspired by him, because I guess according to Nike, purple and pink and tie-dye supposedly signifies Buddhism, or at least we're supposed to believe that, I guess. The entire upper this time is done in a rather unusual material. It is made out of canvas, not something we typically see on Jordan 4s. However, this month alone we're going to be getting 2 pairs made out of this canvas material. First this Zen Master, and then later on this month we'll be seeing this blank canvas colorway. Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of this colorway? Getting into sizing, so I was very curious to see how these would fit, considering I normally fit true to size in Jordan 4s. However, with some other canvas shoes in the past, they do tend to fit quite small. But that's not the case with this pair. I went true to size and it does fit me fine, just like any other Jordan 4. So my advice to you is go with whatever your normal Jordan 4 size is. And looking at what these are going for on the resale market right now, of course, these prices right here are based off of StockX Europe. They might be a bit higher in the US considering there aren't any pairs over there. But at least here in Europe, the shoe is not proving to be too popular. In fact, on the release date, they were actually sitting in some stores. If you're looking to cop a pair, don't expect these prices to come down anymore, considering they're not going to be releasing anywhere else. So if you really wanted a pair, especially if you are stateside, then be thankful that the prices are so low. Go ahead and cop. I will leave a StockX link in the description. Overall, the Jordan 4 Zen Master, are these a cop or a drop? So these are just my personal thoughts. So I normally do like purple on sneakers. I really want to get those purple Jordan 4s that will be dropping later this year. However, on this pair, I gotta say I'm not entirely feeling this colorway. The upper seems to be just a bit too bleached, like it's a bit too light. However, I will say on feet, these do look pretty good, especially if you pair them with some black pants. For me personally, it's a drop, but let me know down in the comments, how do you guys feel about this shoe? Is this a must cop for you? Let me know down in the comments. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stick around for the group chat if you want. If not, it's all good. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hey yo, what is up, group chat gang? The very top 20% of you that stick around until the end of the video. This is that special vid after the vid for you guys. So I did warn you guys before that this group chat session is not always gonna be about shoes. It might be sneaker related, it might not. Now, if you know me, I am a big basketball fan, a big NBA guy. So let's keep this topic about Phil Jackson himself. So Phil Jackson, as you know, he's won 11 championships as a coach. But for 6 of them, he had the greatest player of all time, that is Michael Jordan. And for the other 5, he had arguably the second or third greatest player of all time in Kobe Bryant. So do you guys think that when discussing great coaches, should these coaches, you know, the ones that were just coaching teams that had incredible players, legendary once in a lifetime players, should these coaches really be in the discussion as greatest coaches ever? My personal opinion, I would say mainly yes, because there are 11 other players on the team and you need them to buy into your system. You need to motivate them constantly. And you still need to, of course, game plan, create your offensive sets, your defensive strategy. Winning a championship is one of the hardest things. So I do think, of course, even coaches of really, really great players, they should be considered great coaches as well. But I know that there are some people who completely disagree with this. You could argue, and you could definitely win the argument, that basketball is very much an individual sport in one way. Because really, when it comes to playoff time, it's always the teams with the really great players that win the championships. So I don't know, let me know your thoughts. So this group chat was very much a sports discussion. You never know what it's gonna be, but thank you very much for sticking around and for supporting this channel. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.